Welcome to StormWatch today. From your weather department, I'm Impact Weather Meteorologist Dave Gorham. Thanks for being with us. Now yesterday, Friday, I mentioned the possibility of a developing storm system next week, the 8th through the 12th of April. We're still on target for that. Blizzard to the north, severe weather and squall lines to the south. Also yesterday, I mentioned the possibility of this system beginning to slow down a little bit. And that's true. The latest on this is that it looks like Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, the storm system is on track, but then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it begins to slow down. Of course, that means the severe weather potential by the end of next week on station a little bit longer, and the accumulations could be a little bit higher with those storms in location a little bit longer than we're expecting at this time. Again, we'll have more on this as this develops. Right now, we're seeing a lot of conflict between the models, the GFS, the European, the Canadian, all showing a different solution to that. But here's what we're looking at. If you're a follower of severe weather, you know that a jet stream, a strong jet coming in from the north, plunging down to the south, and then turning back up to the north is the classic signature for severe weather. It also brings cold weather in from the north. So very heavy snowfall. A couple of situations, a couple of bullseyes forming with heavy snow, the foothills up into Denver Tuesday. Could be some very significant snow here. Also Minneapolis as we work our way into later on Tuesday and Wednesday. We could be looking for heavy snow up this way. Some of these areas, 8 to 12 inches of snowfall in the middle of April. Now, as we work our way into the middle and the latter half of the week, next week, we're talking about severe weather. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, as this system pushes down into the deep south. We've got a lot of unstable air out into the Gulf of Mexico. Bring that up, mix it up with the cold air moving in from the north. Classic, especially this time of year, classic scenario for severe weather. We're talking about tornadoes, frequent lightning, damaging winds, and some very heavy rainfall. We could be looking at rain in the neighborhood of 1 to 3 inches in places, even more than that. So do be on the lookout. I mentioned the heavy snowfall. If this comes to bear, we could be looking at 8 to 12 inches in the foothills and heading up into the mountains of Denver on the eastern sides, or the mountains just past Denver, but the eastern sides of Colorado, also up towards Minneapolis, Lake Superior. Some of these areas, 8 to 10, maybe 8 to 12 inches of snowfall. And then as we work our way into the later portions of the week, we've got our squall lines bringing that frontal system related storm weather through the deep south for the later half of next week. Again, tornadoes, some very heavy rainfall, damaging winds, frequent lightning, all of this, including power outages and the difficulty to travel up to the north with the snow, down to the south with the heavy rain, and maybe even the debris across the roadways, bringing in that situation as we head into next week. Snow to the north, rain and severe weather down to the south. But that's all I have for you right now. We will continue to keep you updated with this as this situation develops and becomes a little bit more in focus. Again, I'm Impact Weather Meteorologist Dave Gorham. Thanks for watching.